Oh yeah, this is the third time is we did moving. This time is 8 box. The beginning we saw only 20 box is enough, but absolutely is not enough. Too many things. I was find out I have many bags and many clothes. I was thinking why I have no clothes. Checking the clothes is not enough. So, but when I packing that, it's too much. So I think it's all ladies' problem. So you see, I'm lady, so I have the problem. Everybody can understand that, right? And the packing time is okay because I'm packing very fast. Anyway, arrived to our home, have to check out. My husband say, "Oh, wife, you do so quickly." I say, "Yeah, you see, I'm a perfect." Haha, our fridge is coming. It's huge. It was 2 young boys moving that. It's moving is very tough. I thinking their back is very hurt. Really, they driving the car to here. You see, this is the car over there. They are very nice. Very nice. Really have to be in respect. Thanks a lot for these 2 boys. They are packing to here. Very nice. Can you imagine? Our here is not flat. So have to go there first and after come to here and move into there. It's very tough. Young boy. Open the big fridge. It's tough to open. Oh yeah, here also. Oh yeah, I'm thinking I open here to cut. Okay?
Yeah.
The packing is very good.
Wow.
See inside, nothing damaged.
Very good.
You cutting time have to make the knife shorter. Don't make too long, otherwise you damage inside thing. They moving is not damaged, when you open it it's damaged. This is so funny, right? So be careful. Yep, opening here. Okay.
Wow.
Side by side the fridge. If you have big family, better you use it. You see, I'm so big. Can see me? Can. Oh yeah. Electric cable over there.
I stop video now, okay?
Okay. Now it's open already, but we have to think how to take these things away. How to get out of standing in the floor. This is big things. Because it's 170 kilos. It's very heavy. I with my husband, we both cannot. Because this things is too huge. The fridge already totally put in the floor. And my husband, he think the way, make 2 things stand and then something between, and then move into little bit and then took the below away. It's very smart. And then this is easy to move. They have the wheels in the floor. It's very simple. Here is make the soda water, the sparkling water. And then inside, look how big the space is. This can put in beer bottles. And here have 20 eggs you can put in. Here, left side is for frozen things. Here's for ice cube. It's big space. So now in the summer, you can buy a lot of ice cream inside. And here, they are different places for different kind of the obst. Is fruit and vegetables. Different area. And the fish and also have meat. Has different place. Different temperature. This is cool for huge family because my planning is this year I want to take my daughter coming to here, living with us. Because right now she was living with her father together. Because of coronavirus, everything changed. Our planning is end of the July. We go to China to pick up her. But now everything is changed. The China is the border is closed. It's all the foreign people cannot go inside. So my husband, he's German, so he cannot go with me together. But to bring my daughter to here, we have to make a lot of documents, have to go to embassy. It's better, it's German, talk to German is better. So many questions, I cannot manage it. He can do it. So this year, I want a bring. I have to bring my daughter to here. She have to learning Deutsch, the living here. I want earlier, she can living here more easily, can totally inside of the German, learning language, and after how to learning culture, everything. So it's better, good for her. Younger, because in German, they have the rule, in the child, they are 16 years old, they have to learn Deutsch, C1. So before 16, they don't have the language, anything. You can speak nothing can come in, but after 16, so we have to hurry up. My daughter very soon, she's 13 years old.